What's going on, everyone? Chase with Shinefy here, and today we're going to be talking about making over $1,000 a day with a AI agency, as well as a marketplace that I'm going to start setting up for you today in this video, which you can use to start giving away services for free that you can get paid for, reoccurring, and you don't even have to fulfill the services. I'll show you how all this works in a second. And before I do, I want to show you everything that you're going to be getting in today's video. If you haven't seen any of the bonuses I give out so many things for free. Remember, you don't have to pay anything. All the stuff I give out is free. And you can get access to all of this just by dropping a comment, leaving a like, and subscribing to this channel. And I will send you a bunch of really, really cool stuff like done for you emails written with AI generated videos that you can start posting, a list of over 400 AI tools that you can start getting paid to set up services for different clients with. And again, everything in this video I'm going to give you for free. So make sure you just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will reply with everything right now for free. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be diving into a marketplace that I want to start setting up, because the whole premise of what we're doing is we're going to be giving away services that people can use for their social media and even their local businesses. And we're going to get paid out every single month as long as these people are using the tools that we're going to set up as a one-time service for free. Now, to do this and to follow along, I recommend you head over to firstaitool.com/go. You can also grab the link below this video, and you can go follow along by getting a 30-day free trial to High Level, because we are going to be setting up our marketplace on here. And as I set up everything on High Level, what I do is I give out things called snapshots. And what a snapshot is it's basically all of our automations that I'm building for you on these live streams added into your account, copy and pasted into your account, so you can go and give away the same stuff. Okay. And so everything I do, all the money I make, is by giving away free stuff. Okay. And so that's how you can start earning money too, is you can start learning how to automate a lot of different things for people, whether it's, their social media, whether it's their email follow-up, whether it's, some sort of chat bot, and you can get paid every single month as long as people are using these things. Okay. What's up, everybody in chat? What's up, Melissa? Love the nighttime live. Yeah, it's a little bit later tonight, 7:30. Amir, what's going on? Okay, so let's go into our free accounts. You're going to go to the 30-day free trial. And then while you're there, I do recommend grabbing the snapshot and loading that in. You just click on the snapshot inside of the checklist, which, by the way, once you get the 30-day free trial, what's going to happen is you're going to get taken to a checklist that you can get into. This is the checklist, and it'll give you the snapshots. It'll give you everything you need. And it'll also give you the ability to book a kickoff call. And I recommend you get on the kickoff call, because the kickoff call will actually help you set all this stuff up. They'll help you set up your snapshot, everything, if you're confused about how to use this stuff. So you go in, you load in your snapshot, click on import, and then you get an account with all of our automations. Okay. So you get our landing pages, our emails. We have 70 days worth of emails that we send out about our different products. And you just get a lot of really, really cool stuff that you can follow along with. Okay. And by the way, if you haven't already, save the date. Every single Monday, we go live inside of our Zoom calls, which you can access inside of this checklist. If you go to Zoom replays, you can get our full step-by-step course, which again is free. You can grab all of the calls, the replays, and you can start watching those. And you can also join our future calls, which I recommend you join, because you can join me in a group of other people live on Zoom. And there's just a lot of really cool stuff that you can start doing with this. Okay. So here you can see this is our last call. There's a lot of people on our Zoom, and I'd love for you to be there, and you can ask questions, interact with our group, and hang out with us. And it's a cool place to be. Okay. What's up, grouchy old man? Hey there, Chase. How long is your live tonight? Anything to show us on the done for you funnel snapshots? I've had a massive computer issue today. Got nothing done as far as content. Yeah. So what we're going to be working on is kind of a marketplace that you can start offering people. And what I really want to do is I want to highlight all the different services that you can start giving out for free. And so that you can start offering these services to your either viewers, followers, or even people that you reach out to. So we're going to go into our account here, and we're going to go to our sites. And then we already have the Shinefy snapshot here. You can see by going to the Shinefy snapshot that gets loaded into your account. By the way, I tell people this all the time. If you see me do a live stream, if you see me do any sort of video, you can always take that content because we add it to the spreadsheet, and you can use those videos on your landing pages. So if I'm talking about a marketplace, I'm talking about giving away a free service, any of the services we talk about, you can take these videos and you can actually go and edit the high-level page in the snapshot I give you, and you can throw these videos into your account. So if I go like this, click on edit, and then go to the landing page, I can go and transfer out this video here. Just like so, boom, and then it just switches out the video, okay? So what we want to do is we want to start building out our service pages. Now we have a lot of pages in here already, right? Mainly selling Shinefy. So if I go back and I want to start adding services, you can see these are all the different pages here. I can add a new step and I can call it services. Now we'll probably have ChatGPT generate a lot of these pages for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and clone the home page first. So we'll just click on clone. We're going to clone that into our account, add it to our main funnel, add the step. I guess I could have just cloned it right there. That would have made it easier. Now we have the home page clone, and this is a split test here. So I'm just gonna edit this one, I guess. And then what we want to do is we want to create our first service. Okay, so remember, we can give out whatever service we want. There's all kinds of things we can give out. We can give a funnel setup service. We can give a chatbot service. We can give an email service, and we can even bundle services together. So in this case, what we'll do is we will do a full high-level account snapshot setup. Okay, so the way we'll do that is we'll do text, or sorry, element. We got to add a new element in here. So we're going to do the plus button, and we're going to just drag this in. Now we can say full high-level account setup, snapshot setup. Okay. Now in here, we just go ahead and change the color, and then we can have a video here. Okay, so the video could be this video, for example, because it kind of explains what they're getting. And then right here, we could say claim your free high-level account setup. And the way that somebody would claim their setup, right, is they would go and click on the link to go sign up for high level. And then when they sign up for high level, they would get taken to the thank you page where it says set up your account, right? We could also set up an automation where when they buy the thing, it automatically sends them an email and says, hey, I saw you just got the account set up and the trial. I'm ready to help you get set up. But the cool thing is that high level has their own setup, right? So you actually don't even have to do the setup yourself. You could actually have somebody else on high level do this for you. So if I go to our text here and make this all uppercase somewhere in here, I could change the font. I'm trying to get the might be under advanced. Where the heck is that uppercase font? Oh, I guess I can just type it in all caps. Just so we don't have to waste time. Full high-level account snapshot setup. Okay. And then again, there would be instructions on the page, right, where it says, hey, step number 1, grab your account. Step number 2, send me a text, or however you want people to contact you afterwards. But then you could even say, okay, well, what's included in the snapshot setup? Okay. So now we can head over to ChatGPT and say, I'm making a landing page for a full high-level account snapshot setup. Can you help me with the text to explain what's included? So now we can put this all on the page. complete funnel setup, pre-written email sequences, automated booking system. So we can put all of this on the page. Copy. Head back into here. And then we can delete all this other stuff because this is a brand new page, remember? Get rid of all that. And then we're going to just do text. So we'll, by the way, I might even have somebody design these pages for us just because I've never historically been a great designer. So we're going to go like that, paste this all in. Maybe we'll make the bold a different color. Yeah, definitely going to need somebody to design this. But yeah, so there you go. There's a basic kind of just page for our setup. Again, I'm going to need somebody to design this. I don't know why it's so wonky here, but we'll just keep that there for now. And then boom. I guess we don't even really need text. You could just have a video for each one. But boom, now we have our first page. And then we could change the URL and everything. Let's just save this really quick. Go high level, free account snapshot setup. And then we could say claim your, change this actually, say claim your free setup and 30-day trial now. Okay. Claim your free setup and free account now, and then it goes to whatever our trial link is, okay? Does this make sense to everybody, what we're doing here? We'll go back. And now we have our page. Let's rename this. We're going to call this / high level setup. Now remember, we could have different things that we offer. So we could offer a chatbot setup, and we can even offer different tools, right? So we could offer like a GSA setup for free. We could offer, there's so many different digital marketing services that you could offer for free. It doesn't have to be one or the other. But the idea is we can build out all these pages, and then we can learn how to set up these systems and then go set them up for other people, right? And so now, look at this, Hawaii, what am I saying? Full high-level account snapshot setup. Kind of a mouthful, huh? So it goes to our affiliate, boom, they enter their info, and then it takes them to the account setup. So this is all the stuff they get, pretty cool. And then there you go. So now you can offer that. So now if we go back to the home page, right, we can start offering this throughout the site. So if I go edit here, I don't know if we disabled the menu links. I'm not sure how this is supposed to. So this button here, where are the other links to this? I actually had somebody design this, so I actually don't even know how they were able to remove all the links here. I know they did something for it. But we probably want to add all those back in. Let's see if we can see them anywhere. Footer, open code editor. So these are all the links here. So there's got to be a way. Somebody must have disabled. I'm going to have to ask the team how they did this, but ideally we want to get all the links back in here for sure, because then we can put all the services here. But yeah, that's the first page, right? And then we would do the second page. And so right now what I'm going to end up doing, this is kind of just to show you guys what I'm working on, right? What I'm going to have the team do is I'm going to have the team set up, done for you, free, done for you setup services on all our affiliates. And so then we're going to give you that exact snapshot so you can add it to your site. You can learn how to set all this stuff up because we're teaching you it, and then you can go and set this stuff up yourself. So the first done for you setup is going to be high level. The second one's going to be radar. The third one's going to be mini chat. Fourth one's going to be what is it? GSA. Just all our top affiliates, right? Let me go into our spreadsheet of magical tools here. Maybe Shinefy might be one. High level, Shinefy, radar, online jobs. That's a good one. Just basically all the different tools with affiliates here. So we'll probably start with those ones. So we're going to make pages for each of those, I think. And then we might even offer like a full package, right? Like a full done for you setup for everything, right? So you go and grab all the links. We set up everything. Obviously, this takes some time to do, but the cool thing is eventually you can even outsource all this. So you can teach this to your team, give them all the stuff that we're doing, and then they can use it as well. So hopefully that makes sense. And again, this is what I'm working on right now. If you're interested in all of this, you want me to give you the full website, snapshot, everything, including all the done for you services. You want me to set you up with all this for free, and you want to go and set this up for other people for free, let me know. Leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Till we do, happy money making. See you guys. Bye.